Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about partial fractions. Now partial fractions is used a lot for complex math such as integrals, and when you have a certain integral like dx over x squared minus 4 and you want to solve for the integral, it might be easier to split it into two fractions and then use a certain integral rule to solve it instead of just directly solving it like this. So let's start with the basics first. If you have 1 over x squared, so you can just ignore that for now, x squared minus 4, it would equal a certain value a, x minus 2, plus b, x plus 2. And if you don't know, I just factored out x squared minus 4 into these values. So there's a certain value for a and a certain value for b that makes this equation equal this one. Okay, so what you want to do is simplify this equation, multiply it out. Plus b, x minus 2, continue simplifying. 2, whoops, that's bad syntax, but okay. Now, you have this equation and you don't know what to do with it. But if you look back to the original equation right here, you want a 1 on the top, and we have an x. So you want to try to get rid of the x somehow, or find a way to create a system that would eliminate a variable. So we know that x will equal 0, so if we isolate the x and make that equation or coefficient equal 0, it will let us create a system, a plus bx plus 2a minus b. If you don't know what I did, I just moved the bx over here and factored out the x, and these two, and factored out the 2. Now that we have these two, we can create a system because there is no x in the original equation. A plus b has to equal 0 because there is no x. And a minus b must equal 2a minus b, must equal 1. Equals 1. And you can simplify that into minus b equals 1/2. Okay, so now that we have two equations, we can eliminate the variable. So I'll just move this one over here. A plus b equals 0. And if you add them together through elimination, these two are eliminated. Equals 1/2. A equals 1/4. Now that you have a, you can easily plug it back into the a plus b equals 0 equation and get b equals -1/4. So that's the general idea with partial fractions, and in my next video I'll explain how you incorporate this idea into solving integrals. So the final result would be -1/4 x minus 2 plus 1/4 x plus 2. Whoops, got the negative sign wrong. It's right here. Yeah, thank you for watching.